Good morning. My name is Manu Tripathi from Kendriya Vidyalaya CRPF Shift 1, Bijnor, Lucknow. Let's start today's topic. We have already read in the chapter Seeds and Seeds about different types of seeds, use of seeds in our kitchen, and about the process of germination, that how a small seedling turns into a plant and then to a tree. When it becomes a tree, it will have fruits with seeds. When the fruit ripe, it will fall in the ground, and when it gets suitable conditions, it will germinate and turns into a new plant. But have you ever think that if all the seeds of a plant fall under the same parent plant, then what will happen? It is known to us that plants have less mobility. They cannot move from one place to another, but their seeds can move. Yes, and this movement, spread or transport of seeds away from the parent plant is called seed dispersal, or we can say the process by which seeds get away from the parent plant to a new place is called seed dispersal. Now a question arises, why it is necessary or what is the need of seed dispersal? So, plants make seeds that can grow into new plants. But if the seeds just fall under the same parent plant, then they might not get enough sunlight, water, and nutrients from the soil. They cannot grow properly. They have to compete with each other. So, we can say seed dispersal is important for the survival of plants. We knew plants cannot walk around and take their seeds to other places. They have developed other methods to disperse or move their seeds. Some agents are there that help the plants to move their seeds from one place to another. The most common agents are animal, birds, wind, human being and water. So let's see how they help in seed dispersal. Here in this video, some seeds have hook-like structures. When an animal passes through these seeds, they stuck into their fur. At some point, the seed will fall, often a considerable distance from the parent plant. If the conditions are right, the seed will germinate and grow into a new plant. In this video, we can see a squirrel. Squirrels are well known for their love of nuts. Squirrels have developed a strategy for storing food in which seeds are buried underground to save for a later date. Some seeds are eaten, but others are forgotten, buried safely underground, where they may germinate and turns into a new plant. Birds are generally attracted towards bright colored and fleshy fruits. Sometimes birds swallow the seed along with fruits. For example, berries. The small hard seed passes through the gut of bird. As it cannot be digested, the seeds are therefore expelled with the droppings of the animal, and if get suitable conditions, they may germinate. Some plants that grow near the water disperse their seeds with the help of water. For example, coconut tree. We generally see coconut tree near water. When the fruit falls in water, it floats downstreams, and after getting suitable conditions, it germinates at a new site. The size of a seed is not a factor in determining whether the seed will float or not. Seeds from plants like dandelions and cotton are light and have feather-like structure. When the wind hit the plant, the seeds scattered around and germinate. We human beings are also an agent of seed dispersal. Sometimes by knowingly or unknowingly, we help the seed to spread. Some seeds have hook-like structure, and when we pass through it, it's stuck into our clothes, and at some point the seed will fall. And sometimes knowingly we bring the seeds of plants that we find beautiful or useful to grow them in our garden. Later the seeds of these plants spread to other places. So I hope you all have understand about seed dispersal. So let's test How much you grasp? So here I have some questions. My first question is, name some agents of seed dispersal. And yes, the answer is animals, birds, water, wind, and human beings. Now my next question is, the flow of seeds far away from their parent plants is called, and the answer is seed dispersal. Here I have a link for you. Click on the link and you will get some questions. Answer them and submit. I will share the link in the description box. Thank you.